Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 639, and today's topic of the lecture is the health benefits of gooseberry, that is golden berry. And this golden berry in India, it is called rasbhari, and this golden berry actually is from South America. Its origin is actually from Peru, and from Peru it came to Great Britain, and they started cultivating golden berry from 1774 onward, and from there it came to Asia and Africa, mostly in Asia, Asian countries. And this gold berry, raspberry, is golden shining in color, and it is wrapped with a papery type of husk, and we can use it only after removing the papery husk from it. And it is little bit smaller than berry tomatoes. It is pulpy, and inside edible seeds are there. And once it is fully ripened, it is ripe, only then we should use it, because if it is green, it is toxic and bitter because of the presence of alkaloidal content. Raspberry, golden berry, is very rich in antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and traditionally in South American countries, especially in Africa also, that is South Africa, they are widely using it as a medicine for antibiotics. For antipyretic means to reduce the body temperature once you have fever. And in South Africa, the Zulu people, they are using the leaves, hot leaves, to treat the inflammation. If somebody is having any swelling, muscular swelling, they will just pluck the leaves and they will heat it and they will put it. It is having anti-inflammatory compounds as well as antioxidants, and it is full of vitamin, minerals, and those anti-inflammatory, antioxidant compounds are linoleic acid, caproic acid, and tocopherol. Tocopherol is actually vitamin E, and it is rich in vitamin E as well as vitamin C, flavonoids, and also the anti-inflammatory compounds are some other phytosterols, but overall it is very good antioxidant and anti-inflammatory fruit. It is very much liked by children because of its shining yellow golden color, and it is sweet and tasty. Also, it is nowadays in Taiwan, they are using to treat lung cancer, because latest research paper shows that it is effective in lung cancer. Also, of course, it is anti-cancerous. It has anti-cancer activities because it is rich in antioxidants, and because of those antioxidants, they can reduce drastically the oxidative stress by neutralizing the free radicals. And once lot of free radicals are neutralized, definitely your chances of getting cancer cells are less. And it is rich in niacin, that is vitamin B1, and this niacin, vitamin B1, is very good for maintaining your blood circulation. So once you take raspberry, golden berries, it will improve your blood circulation. It is also rich in thiamine, that is vitamin B3, and this vitamin B3 is actually effective to your nerve cells. It is neurotransmitter compound, so your neurotransmission will be effective. It contains calcium and phosphorus. That's why it is also very good for your bone health. If you have the problem of bone density, if you take enough golden berry, that is raspberry, your bone problem will be over. Also, it is good for diabetic people, those who are having sugar problem. It can reduce drastically the diabetic condition. So it has lot of medicinal properties. As I have told you that golden berries, that is raspberry, is very effective for children, because latest research papers indicate that it is having cognitive effect on children, means it can increase their brain power to concentrate, to focus, and even it can increase the brain capacity to think and to memorize, because it is having lot of flavonoids, linoleic acid, capraic acid, and also some other phytosterol, and they are responsible of activating the brain nerve cell. And I have already told you that the latest publication shows that it can protect our lung, and in Taiwan the publication is there that it can even reduce the chances of lung cancer, and even there is chance of recovery if we are taking it. So these are all very, very important health benefits of golden berries. So the golden berry, which is called raspberry in Indian language, the botanical name is Phacelis perunia, and it belongs to family Solanaceae. Number one, golden berries are bright orange color, or we can say shining golden color fruits, and that are wrapped in a papery husk, and that must be removed before eating it. It is slightly smaller than cherry tomatoes. These fruits are tropical, sweet in taste, and the origin is in Peru, and that is in South America. And from South America it came to England in 1774. They started cultivating it, and from there it came to Asia and Africa. And number two, every 100 gram raspberry, that is golden berries, contains 11.2 gram carbohydrates, 2.6 gram protein, and vitamin C is 15.4 milligram. Vitamin B1, that is your niacin, contains 0.15 milligram. Vitamin B3 is 3.92 milligram. Minerals are phosphorus 40 milligram, calcium 13 milligram, iron 1.4 milligram, and it is almost zero in fat. It is very low calorie fruit that contains 53 kilocalorie. Number three, vitamin C. Vitamin C, once we say vitamin C, means it is powerful antioxidant, and it can eliminate all the free radicals which are produced during the oxidation process or metabolism, and that's why it can drastically reduce the oxidative stress. In this way, it is very good to protect you from different type of oxidative stress and even cancer. And vitamin B3, that is called niacin, plays important role in increasing your blood flow. So in this way your cardiovascular system will be normal, and then it can boost cognitive ability in children by increasing memory, focus and concentration skill. That is, I have already told you, and then it is having vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, that is commonly known as thiamine, and this thiamine is a neurotransmitter. It will activate your brain neuron cells so that it will help in memory and transmission of the signals because of the presence of B1 thiamine. And then number 4, golden berries, rasbhari, is used in traditional medicine for antipyretic purpose to reduce the fever or temperature, antibiotics to kill the bacteria, and also to boost the immune system because it is having lot of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds like vitamin C, like flavonoids, like linoleic acid, cupronic acid, and then tocopherol, that is vitamin E. So these are all very, very powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, and because of this phytochemicals, it is very much medicinal, and it can also protect your liver, your kidney, and also from cancer, and also immune booster and anti-cancer. Golden berries have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties due to the presence of flavonoids, and those flavonoids are polyphenolics, different type of flavonoid, apigenin, quercetin, camphorol. So these are all different type of benzopyronucleus. They are known as polyphenolics, and because of them, it is powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. And the presence of linoleic acid, palmitic acid, and tocopherol. It has protective effect on kidney, liver, and lung, and on brain. Blood sugar also it can control, and it can bring down your blood sugar level low. Means indirectly it is helping in cases where people are suffering from diabetic condition, means more glucose is flowing in blood. So thank you very much for watching the lecture, and here what I will recommend, please allow children to take right golden berry, that is raspberry, but in any circumstances they should not take any unripe, means green raspberry, because green raspberry is allergic and toxic because of the presence of alkaloids. So whenever children are taking, make sure that it is fully ripe. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.